Joey here is the Critical Missourian when I talk about everyday life, about Missouri and beyond. Okay, real quick. I've been seeing more activity about the state of Missouri eliminating the income tax or state level income tax, and I put a video out about that before, and it seemed like they're amping up the likelihood that they're wanting to have it done. But I wanted to also point out that there are other states that have eliminated their income tax and other area and eliminated a sales tax or eliminated some kind of things that they claim will make things better for everybody, but people don't stop and think and realize that if you eliminate one revenue stream like the income tax, where do you think that loss of revenue is going to be made up at? More than likely, in another form of tax that already exists, only more increased than before. So, let's say you go to Nevada. They don't have a state income tax, but yet you got to pay a higher sales tax because of that. Don't quote me as this is exactly how it is, but I'm just trying to make, from what I know from observation, Texas, you got to pay a higher property tax. Same thing with Tennessee. But that's really where I'm trying to drive home the point. These states that you think you're moving to, that's such a refuge, is not exactly a blessing as you think it is, because they're going to be taxing you somehow, some way, in a different way, whether it be higher property taxes, higher sales tax, higher taxes somewhere else. If they eliminate one, like I said, no state government can run off of no taxes. So they have to make up for it in other ways. So please don't jump on the bandwagon and start thinking that moving to another state that doesn't have any of these taxes is going to be such a blessing, and you're going to be spending a whole lot less without, and that's, like I said, just because there isn't one type of tax, it's going to be made up somewhere else. So so please think about that clearly. Do your homework. Think about whether you really want to move to one of these states, because you may end up paying a much higher property tax in the end. Probably more than you could afford. So, anyhow, just food for thought. This is the Critical Missourian signing out.